As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the cityscape, Brisbane transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of lights and colors. From the vantage point of a drone, the beauty of Brisbane by sunset and night is truly unparalleled. As daylight fades, the skyline of Brisbane comes alive with twinkling lights, reflecting off the meandering Brisbane River below. From the iconic Story Bridge to the sleek skyscrapers of the central business district, every corner of the city sparkles with an enchanting radiance. The drone's perspective offers a unique view of Brisbane's landmarks bathed in the soft hues of twilight. Watch as the illuminated South Bank precinct becomes a beacon of entertainment and culture, with its bustling restaurants, bars and cultural venues coming to life against the backdrop of the river. As night falls, the city takes on a magical atmosphere, with vibrant nightlife scenes unfolding in the streets below. From rooftop bars offering panoramic views to hidden laneway haunts buzzing with energy, Brisbane's nocturnal charm is irresistible. Captured from above, Brisbane's beauty by sunset and night is a sight to behold, showcasing the city's dynamic blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. It's a visual feast that will leave you in awe of this vibrant Australian metropolis. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.